Hi friends, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Abby. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make basmati white rice. I know people struggle a lot with making basmati rice because of the amount of water they have to put and things like that. So in this video I'm going to show you how I make mine and the measurements I used. I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe, leave your comments down below, share my video and like my video as well. Let's get right into the video.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need.
The first thing you want to do is measure your rice and the water you're going to be using to cook it. This is the right way to measure. You put the rice in the cup and you use it to level it out. If you're cooking 1 cup of rice, you use 2 cups of water. If you're cooking 2 cups of rice, you use 3 cups of water. If you're using 3 cups of rice, you use 4 cups of water. So you just add 1 more cup of water to cook it. The next thing you want to do is measure your water. As you can see, I measured 3 cups of water for 2 cups of rice, and I'm going to turn the heat on and allow it to start boiling. While I'm waiting for it to boil, I'm going to go ahead to wash my rice. I washed mine 4 times. You want to wash it till the water turns clear. Once you're done washing the rice and the water starts to boil, you pour the washed rice into the water. You add your oil, you add your salt to taste. Some people add butter, some people add onions. You can do that if you like. Then you cover it and allow it to boil on medium.
Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances say I'm nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love.
Once the water is almost dried, you turn the heat on to the lowest and you allow the steam do the rest of the cooking. Please do not be tempted to add water at this time. Just let the steam do the cooking. Once the water is completely dried, the rice is going to double up in size, and then you can use your fork or your spoon to fluff it out so that it doesn't stick together. Your basmati rice is ready to serve. Very simple, very easy, very straightforward. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in this comment section. Share this video, like this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.
Second chances say I'm nothing for right.